Manufacturers these days, they like tint the vehicles a bit darker than the usual ones we used to have. So basically right now you say all the vehicles come with tinted glasses, although not really dark, but faintly they come tinted. And then you see a lot of people also want to impress tint on their glass or glasses. What is happening right now is said that it's just that the Inspector General of Police has directed, and then the AIG for Zone 2, covering Lagos and Ogun State, has directed police officers to stop demanding for a renewal of tinted permit. And they've been warned, all officers and men of the Nigerian Police Force have been warned. The AIG has directed the ones in Lagos and Ogun State to stop demanding for renewal of tinted permit. However, we've advised members of the public to get their tinted permit to go to our website through www.npf.gov.ng/tinted permit. There you download your form, and then you go to the Command Intelligence Bureau, which we call SIB, and then you get it updated, and then they do what we call capturing. And if you have that, it covers your vehicle forever. So if any policeman is asking you or demanding for renewal of tinted permit, is wrong. And the AIG has directed that henceforth they should stop doing all of that. And it's not an offense that you must be arrested on. If you don't have, the AIG directed that the drivers or the owners should be advised to get it done. So it's not a thing a policeman should extort you over and then start demanding money for. No, it is wrong. And that's why the AIG, Adamu Ibrahim, has said henceforth no policeman should arrest anyone because of tinted permit. Then you do for the new car. Once you have it for a car, it's with the car forever. You advise them to, to pull it off, because all is about security. Most times you want to know who is the car carrying. When a car that is very dark, he's carrying a victim, is taking a victim away, it's very difficult. Even if the victim is yelling inside, even if this victim is seeking for help, you can't know. So most times we advise the policemen to tell them to yank it off. Yes, you can't really get approval for that. But if it is manufacturer's own, then you get approval for that. It's better when we are giving out information, we give it in full dose. Ignorance is not an excuse before the law. So even when you're relating that, you relate it in full. And so it's not that you're going to get half of the information, and then because you didn't get the half, and then you now say, oh, I want to act. And a policeman should approach member of the public cautiously, and then I think the members of the public should also respond cautiously. It takes two to tango.